Buckle up. We're about to dive deeper into the rich tapestry of Jamaica's world firsts, adding a little more spice to each tale. Because in Jamaica, more is always merrier. Have you ever wondered how a tiny island in the Caribbean punches way above its weight on the global stage? Well, hold on to your hats, or better yet, your Jamaican beanies, because you're about to be dazzled by a small country, but a giant in spirit and innovation. Today, we're diving into 10 remarkable instances where Jamaica sprinted, leaped, and grooved its way into leading the world. So grab your Jamaican patties, folks, and let's embark on this irie journey together. Number 1. Independence Pioneer. 1962 wasn't just a year, it was the year Jamaica charted its own course, becoming the trailblazer for independence among English-speaking Caribbean islands. This bold move didn't just echo through the Caribbean, it sent ripples of inspiration across the globe, encouraging nations to seek their own paths to freedom. Jamaica's journey to independence was a beacon of hope, proving that size doesn't define your strength or your ability to lead. They didn't just open the door, they kicked it down. Number 2. Birthplace of Rastafarianism. In the 1930s, Jamaica didn't just give birth to a spiritual movement, it launched a global revolution. With its deep roots in African identity and branches reaching toward righteousness and living close to the earth, Rastafarianism has colored the world's canvas with its ethos. From the dreadlocks symbolizing the lion's mane to the ritualistic use of marijuana to achieve higher consciousness, this movement is about living with purpose. Rastafari is not just Jamaica's gift to the world, it's a call to all of us to see the divine in nature and in each other. Number 3. Speed demons. Jamaica's sprinters aren't just fast, they're lightning in human form. But what's their secret? Is it the sun-kissed hills, the nutrient-rich soil, or the relentless spirit that runs through every Jamaican's veins? Perhaps it's a bit of all three. Legends like Usain Bolt and Shelly Ann Fraser-Price aren't just athletes, they're superheroes whose capes flutter with each record-breaking sprint. Their victories are stories of perseverance, hard work, and that undying Jamaican spirit, proving that no dream is too big and no record is too fast. Number 4. Coffee connoisseurs. Imagine a coffee so premium it's grown at elevations over 2,000 meters in the shadow of Jamaica's highest peaks. Blue Mountain coffee isn't just a drink, it's a journey in a cup, offering a sip of Jamaica's soul with its smooth, rich flavor that dances on the palate. It's the kind of coffee that doesn't just wake you up, it enlightens you, making you a connoisseur with every sip. This coffee is a testament to Jamaica's commitment to excellence and a reminder that great things often come in small packages. Number 5. Winter Olympic Surprise. When Jamaica entered the Winter Olympics, it wasn't just about competing, it was about challenging the status quo. With no snow in their backyard, the bobsled team took on the icy tracks with the warmth of the island's spirit. Their story is one of courage, humor, and the unyielding belief in one's dreams, no matter how impossible they seem. They might not have taken home a medal, but they won hearts and proved that passion and persistence are the true spirit of the Olympics. Number 6. Extensive railway network. Jamaica's railway wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was a monumental feat that stitched the island together, fostering trade and communication long before the digital age. It's a tale of engineering marvel and foresight, laying down tracks to support the island's growth for generations. This network wasn't just for sugarcane, it was the lifeline that powered Jamaica's economic engine, making the island a beacon of progress in the Caribbean. The glory days may have ended for Jamaica's railway, but they are still listed in the annals as being first in the western region. Number 7. Website Trailblazer. In the early days of the internet, while the world was still debating the digital future, Jamaica was already there, pioneering with its national website. This move was more than just technological. It was a statement of openness, innovation, and forward thinking. Jamaica embraced the digital world with the same warmth it welcomes its visitors, setting the stage for the Caribbean in the digital era and showcasing its beauty, culture, and vibrancy to a global audience online. Number 8. Sound System Revolution. Jamaica's sound systems are not just about playing music, they're about creating a movement, a community coming together to celebrate life through dance and song. These mobile music festivals birthed a new culture, influencing genres worldwide, from hip-hop to reggae and beyond. It's a testament to Jamaica's musical genius, turning every gathering into a celebration and every beat into a heart-thumping, soul-stirring experience. Number 9. Reggae royalty. Reggae isn't just music. It's the rhythm of Jamaica's heart, a beat that echoes the struggles and joys of life. Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and the countless artists who followed didn't just create tunes. They sparked a global movement of peace, love, and resistance against oppression. Their messages, wrapped in mesmerizing melodies, continue to inspire and unite people across continents. Reggae is Jamaica's enduring legacy, a call to action clothed in harmony and hope. Number 10. Bauxite Breakthrough. Jamaica's role in the bauxite industry is a story of transformation and resilience. Indeed, Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to produce bauxite commercially. Discovering and harnessing bauxite wasn't just an economic milestone. It was a strategic move that positioned Jamaica as a leader in the global materials market. This red earth, essential for aluminum production, symbolizes Jamaica's ability to turn natural resources into global opportunities. It's a narrative of innovation, showing the world that Jamaica is not just a place of natural beauty, but a powerhouse of natural resources. From the heart-thumping beats of reggae to the swift strides of our sprinters, Jamaica's story is one of undeniable impact and infinite inspiration. We're a small island with a loud voice, echoing across the world through our culture, spirit, and undeniable resilience. So, what do you think? Which of these Jamaican firsts had you saying, "Wow, I never knew that"? Dive into the comments below and let's get the conversation going. And hey, if you loved this journey through Jamaica's pioneering spirit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that bring history, culture, and innovation to life. Until next time, keep the positive vibes flowing, stay curious, and remember, no matter where you are in the world, there's a little bit of Jamaica waiting to inspire you. One love, one heart.